Miss Charlotte. I'm so happy to have you as one of my dance teachers. You are the best and you inspire me to keep dancing every day.
Filled with faces, every tear a window to the soul, like silent unsung symphonies, the wild and the wonderful mysteries, masterpieces I will never know. 'Cause everybody's looking for some light. Looking for.
I love you, Miss Charlotte, and I miss dance so much.
Charlotte, you inspire us to keep on dancing.
You inspire us to keep on dancing.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear? Like you could fall and no one would hear?
Was that too much?
Well, let that lonely feeling wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, if you can reach out your hand. And oh, someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around, you will be found. You will be found. you will be found.